Did that baby just move? It's not a video, it's just a picture. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a baby picture into a dancing video. So if you want your picture to dance, you are at the right place. So on this tutorial, we're going to be looking at two apps. We're going to be looking at Clink AI first. Go to your phone, you click on Clink AI, and it's going to open. Once you open, you just locate this place. There's a motion control. You click on it, and it will request that you log in with your Gmail. So you log in with your Gmail. Then the first thing you're going to do is to input the character image, who you want to dance, who is the person you want to dance for you, the image you want to use. If you don't know how to generate an image, watch my previous video. You're going to see how to generate an image. So I just click on the image and then allow it to load. So that is the particular image I want. It will just load. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on the video you want your image to mimic. You want your image to dance like. So you pick the video you want your image to dance like, and you allow it to load also. Then you give them a prompt. You type and tell them, I want the image to dance exactly the way the reference video is dancing, and then you allow it to load. But as you can see, it's requesting that I buy some coins for me to generate it. Yes, on Clink AI you have to buy some coins. So I went offline and then I bought some coins. I bought 1,840 for 100 coins, and that 100 coins is going to just download one dancing video for you. So they have other bundles, you can check them out, but for the sake of this tutorial, that's what I bought, just to show us how to go about it. So you allow it to load. It took me 7 minutes to generate the video, and Clink AI was not lying when it says 7 minutes. I had to keep my phone and come back again. Then at 7 minutes exactly, yes, it generated this beautiful dancing baby for me. As you can see, there was nothing like watermark or anything. There's no watermark on it. It was just clear and okay. Her move was exactly the way the other person was dancing. So have it in mind that you're going to just spend 1,840 for this. Then I went and just click on my download button, and then I downloaded to my phone. Yes, that was how I created this dancing baby from Clink AI. The next one we're going to be talking about is the dream face. So, and remember, dream face is free. So this dream face, if you look at the image, just look at the image compared to the first one, you will notice something. Dream face is not as clear as that, it's not as detailed as the other one. The lighting is not really giving, it's kind of poor, but it's free. What did you expect? Since it's free and it came with a watermark. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on your dream face on your phone, then app. If you don't know how to get this apps, just go back to my previous video. You'll see how I connected also how to get it. The next one you click on is your dream art. Once you click on your dream art, to display this page, you go to try now. Yes, then you click on try now. Once you click on your try now, it's going to bring you to this place. Now the first thing I'm going to do here is to impute a video, the video you want your character to dance like. So you go to your gallery and get that video. It could be a video of yourself or a video of any dancer, anyone you want your character to dance. So I just click on the previous one, the one I generated, Clink AI. Just click it, but you can use any video of your choice. And then the next one is for you to upload the character, the image, the picture you want to mimic the video. So I just pick the same picture again. Remember, you can use any one of your choice. So I allow it to generate. But once I click on it, it took me here and then give me animate image. And it took me about an hour. I'm not kidding about this. about an hour for it to generate my video. So in dream phase, it will come with a see it. I did not edit it, so you will notice that in dream phase it comes with it. If there's any question or anything you're confused about, you can just leave it in the comment section. I'm very sure I'm going to attend to them. Thank you. If you like what you just watched, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and follow me for more tutorials.